Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, IU Analytics Academy. Today we will learn how to calculate month-to-date values in Power BI using DAX formula. This is the most known concept for interviews and real-world dashboard. So let's get started. So here we have a data set which contains May and June month sales with a product ID, product name, category, quantity, sales, month, and day. So all these informations are available in this data. So we'll switch into Power BI and then we'll import the data. And I have already imported the data here. So let me just show you a table format visual. So we can clearly see each day, day wise, we have June and till June 27th, we have a data. So total it is 4,15,900 value, the sum of sales. So we'll just look only for the current month because this contains the sales of 2 months. So for that, we'll be writing the formula. So I'm just clicking on new measure again. We have a formula called total MTD. And here the expression is sum of sales. Close a bracket, then give a comma, and then we need to just declare the date. That's it. A date column is required. So once after adding, if you click on this, you'll be see the current month sales. So total sales for 2 months is 4,15,900. And this is only the current month sales from June 1st till date. So if you update your data, automatically you will be seeing the advanced level of data. So by tomorrow, if you update a new data, which is today's data, so you'll be seeing the different values here. The outcome will be different. So let me just show you here so you can clearly see this. So if you want me to show the overall value data, let me just show you. So this is sum of sales 4,15,900 and this is MTD sales. So how do you present this one? So let me just create a new page and let me just take here clustered column chart. So you can just add category, you can add sales, and even you can add MTD sales. So you can show the differences here. You can add data labels, which will represent this is your total sales till date, and this is only for the current month. So you can clearly see based on the category level, which is performing good and which is not performing good. So this is how you can showcase. If you have any queries, please drop your message in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.